We'll find out when the train comes and we sit. And if nobody throws us off, we'll find out.
We're all set to leave from Alleppey. Just doing some last minute packing in order for us to
Not leave
Yeah.
anything behind. Going from here is not easy.
Yeah, I mean, not leave anything behind. We don't even know where we are going to stay in Varkala.
We don't even know how we are going right now.
We don't even know if we are going to Varkala.
Yeah, we know that we are leaving this place today. That's fine.
We're making our breakfast ourselves today, this morning, and Nikhil has made us coffee. And I found one packet of Maggi that was, I don't know how, I mean, let's not discuss about it, but I found...
It was not expired, like I checked.
Okay, so it was not one unexpired packet of Maggi, and I was craving Maggi so much, so we are having Maggi. And Laura had baked this bread earlier, so we'll be having that with some butter. And I think that'll be a good breakfast.
We are checking out. I'm super sad, but we're also super excited because we just had a word with our next house guest owner, and that place also sounds amazing. But we just said bye to Sanil. We're going to be saying bye to Laura and this beautiful place, because it was such an experience, such a nice time that we spent over here. I'm sure I must have added all that in the video earlier, but it was amazing.
Also, we are saying goodbye to all of these pretty flowers.
Are you off?
Yes, our auto is here.
Oh no,
Yeah.
caught me at my worst time.
Oh, let's go! It's 1:05 p.m. and
We have still not reached the station, and our train is at 1:30.
we haven't even booked it.
They said that we have to book it directly from the train station, so that is also going to take some time. I'm getting very anxious now. I don't know if we'll be able to catch it or not.
And we are stuck at the traffic. I don't know what this is. I guess we're about to move now.
We've taken our tickets. Let's rush, Nikhil. What platform?
I don't know.
Information. We're gonna check at the information center about where will we get our train from.
Just a quick note, if you know English, then there's going to be no language barrier if you're in Kerala. Just a quick note.
It's already 1:30 and the train hasn't come yet, so I don't know.
The train is late.
Oh, the train is late. We were early. The train is late now. This always happens with us. We rush, we are like running everywhere, and we reach on time, like maybe 1 or 2 minutes before time, and we're just like and then the train is late, or the car is late, or the ferry is late. This always happens with us. So yeah, I feel a little bit confused. Should we sit in this train? Should we do we have allotted seats or not? I don't know. Nikhil, over to you.
We'll find out. We'll find out when the train comes and we sit, and if nobody throws us off, we'll find out. Or maybe I'm right. What's the worst that can happen? We'll reach Gujarat.
Train number 2
In the end, after so much confusion, I turned out to be right. This is not our train. our train is going to be on the same platform and like around the same time, but after this train. So that's why there was a confusion. It's not a train. Thank God we asked again at the last moment. Otherwise we would have ended in Gujarat instead of Varkala.
Contact child flight number 1098, the toll free. Unreserved express.
Train going from Alleppey to Kollam. We've boarded that train, we've sat, we've put our suitcases up, all three of them. For a first trip, I guess one thing that I've realized is we're packing too much stuff. We'll have to lighten the load and we have to reduce the number of bags that we're carrying. Other than that, I guess
You're good.
other than that, we're good. Yes.
So we climbed down from the train just to get back on the same train because we thought that this train would not go to Varkala, but it does, which is a good thing because now we do not have to wait for another train to come. But it would have been so messed up if we would have missed this train because there's no train for Varkala for like next 2 to 3 hours. So we would have had to like wait first of all, second buy another ticket, and that is never good. Or maybe we would have had to go out and take a taxi or an auto, which would have been very expensive because it's cross city travel.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we did a good job in quickly getting our stuff back up, thanks to Nikhil.
Well, I'm glad we figured it out before the train started moving. So these girls helped us figure out where we're headed, how much time is gonna be like.
And they know Hindi, Marathi, English a little bit, and obviously Malayalam.
Of course.
And they know so many languages. That is so cool.
And they're such nice people. They're like
They're such nice people.
chirpy girls. They're all shy a little, but yeah. And well, I'll see you in Varkala now. So after getting off from Varkala station, we got out and got into a cab.
We were super hungry. We hadn't had anything since morning. No, we had actually. We've had brunch, but it seems like that we've been hungry for days altogether now. And now we're having some banana chips with some
Flavored milk.
flavored milk because that's what was available. But I'm really craving for some like good lunch, like warm food. And yeah, that's pretty much all. We've arrived at Mad About Coco finally in Varkala, and in the morning today it was like we were not even sure if we would reach here on time or whatever, but reached finally after like at what's the time?
5:21.
So we reached here at 5:21 and we still have a couple of hours before the sun goes down, so we'll enjoy till then.
So one thing about Mad About Coco, I'll tell you. The way here is very tiny. It's not a proper road, and the
Because it was raining.
right now it was raining, so it was like all muddy everywhere. So that was another case. I did not see a proper transportation route or how we're gonna move around without being extorted by the taxi walas. But we're still figuring that out. We're yet to be
Even the
checked in
taxi
once.
person we just met,
Yeah, we just met one taxi person. He also was a little
we charged extra.
fixed on his rates. He charged extra, so I was not very happy about that. But well, I did see the roads which were very bad, so we were like, all right, that's it.
So we couldn't find a place to stay still. We went to Mad About Coco and we loved the property, but unfortunately they did not have the rooms. Had we booked on time, maybe we could have gotten, but we were not sure whether or not when we wanted to leave Alleppey. So yeah, we don't have anywhere to stay as of right now. We're looking at a couple of rooms. Let's see which one we finalize.
But in the meanwhile, we get to check out this amazing view which you can only get at Varkala.
So we went and saw so many rooms, and we got stuck up on the same room that we loved here at Mad About Coco, and hence we did not book any other room. Hence we went, actually here we were getting a non-AC room, and that was something that we were actually worried about. But nevertheless we came back and we booked this room which was non-AC, but it was a family room. And to be honest, I am a little cold in here because it's so cold with just the fan. I think it's good weather and everything is on our side. This is basically a family room, and that's why we have, first of all, this room is huge and we have two beds which are attached together, and it makes it a very big bed for us to just lie down in which way. We also have a table in front of us which I suppose is a study table, and we have a very beautiful balcony which has a swing with it and a washroom, very decent, nice washroom with warm water. I'm extremely excited to be staying here, but I'm also very tired. In fact, both of us are very tired. We carried our luggage all the way from Alleppey to Varkala, not like on foot but like in train, but it was hard. Yeah, see you.